In this lecture, you're going to learn how to submit your site to Bing as well as add your website sitemap to Bing Webmaster Tools. Go to bing.com/toolbox/webmaster and then sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, then sign up for one and then sign in into Bing Webmaster Tools. I have already added inspirearound.com to Bing Webmaster. Like Google, I have submitted the same sitemap to Bing too. That's why the URL submitted is 797 and the last crawl has happened on 28th January and today is 29th January. So to add a site, in the left sidebar, click Add a Site. Enter the URL and then you can directly enter the sitemap here. Then click Add button. This will add your website as well as sitemap to Bing. Let me add the www version of my domain inspirearound.com and I'm gonna click Add. To view your sites, click My Sites, which will take you to the My Sites dashboard where you can see everything in an overview. For example, any messages, number of clicks from search, number of times it appeared in search, etc. And when you click on any domain, you will see everything in detail. For example, only 39 pages from my website are crawled by Bing, and my website has appeared 20 times in search. There are 5 crawl errors, and though 39 pages are crawled, only 2 pages have got indexed. To submit your sitemap, click Submit a Sitemap button and then paste the entire URL of your sitemap. Unlike Google, you need to enter including http // and your domain name and then / the sitemap location. Then click Submit. This is how you can add your site to Bing Webmaster as well as you can add the sitemap of your website. But when you add a new URL, before taking you to dashboard, like Google Search Console, Bing Webmaster will also ask you to verify the ownership of your domain name. Select this entire meta name, then copy it and then come to your website dashboard, go to SEO, General Settings, and then go to Webmaster Tools tab, then paste it here. Just click Save Changes. It will extract only the meta tag, like it did for Google Search Console's meta tag. Now click Verify. If Bing could not verify ownership of your site, then it means you need to clear your caching plugins, which you should have configured in the previous section. Now click Verify again. This time, Bing confirms the verification and it takes you to the dashboard like I said earlier. You have already learned how to add a sitemap. So in the next lecture, you will learn how to add your website to Yandex search engine as well as how to submit your website sitemap to Yandex.